Did you know that you can get paid up to $300 just by coming up with creative names for businesses? That means no degrees, no fancy skills, just your creativity. And it's all happening on one website, which I will be unveiling in this video. So here's how you can get started earning today. Welcome back to the channel where we explore creative and easy ways to earn money online. Today, we'll be diving into an amazing platform that literally pays you for your ideas. If you ever dreamed about turning your creativity into cash, then just keep watching. So look at just some of the profits that creators have made on this platform. On January 4th, there's a $200 payment right here. December, that's $300, $135 for that creator, $200 for this creator, $200 for this creator, $300 for this creator, $300 for this creator. So as you see, there are tons of people making money using this platform. And you might think like, hey, $300 is not that much. How much work actually has to go into using this platform before I start making some money? Now, if you look at this creator right here, they might have just made $300 on that specific job, but look, overall, they've already made over $42,000 on this platform. Then you can take a look at another creator. They've made $35,000 on this platform. And it looked like they've sold about 28 domain names on this platform and won around 83 contests. And then this is gonna show you just some of the names that they have for sale and look at the price tags that are on here. So a business could come on here, see a brand with a name, a logo, a tagline, and just purchase that immediately. And for the creator, you get paid instantly by Adam.com. They take care of everything from front to back for you. So here's the deal. Adam.com is a platform where businesses come to find the perfect name, logo, or tagline for their business. They launch a contest and creatives like you submit ideas. If the business picks your idea, you get paid. Sometimes as much as $300 or more per contest. Think about it. Every business needs a name that stands out, whether it's a tech startup, a fashion brand, or even a podcast. And the best part, you don't need to be a professional marketer. All you need is creativity and a knack for thinking outside the box. All right, so this is the website, Adam.com. And as you can see, there are tons of major brand names that actually come to this platform in order to get ideas for new business names, for taglines, for logos, and a host of other things that businesses can do when they come and use this platform. And here are just some of the companies that use this platform. So now let's take a look at some of the active contests that Adam has on the platform right now that you could be making money on. So if we go right up here to the top where it says naming contest, we're gonna look for a tab that says active contest, and that's gonna bring you to this page right here. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can actually see some of the contests they have going on right now. This is a name for a merchant services company, and they're paying out $300 for that. And here's another one for a property management company. They're paying out $200 for that. And here's another one for a game-changing network consultant. They're paying $500 for this contest. So there's tons of opportunity on this website for you to start making money. And don't worry about it. You don't have to have no type of design skills or anything like that. I'm gonna show you how to use AI to come up with some names for these businesses. I'm gonna make it super simple for you so there's no excuses why you can't be making money on this website as well. All right, so the first thing that you wanna do when you're ready to get started is you're gonna go to the bottom of the website to the footer section, and you're gonna look for a link in here, and it's gonna say become a creative. So once you land on the creators page, this is gonna explain to you how everything works, and it's gonna be super simple for you to go ahead and get signed up. So once you start creating your profile, they're gonna ask you a few different questions here on what you are looking to do on the platform. Now, if you already own domain names, they make it super simple for you to go ahead and import those domain names here. Now, I'm gonna tell you from personal experience. I had a few domain names that was just sitting inside of my GoDaddy account, and I was not using them, and the business ended up reaching out to me and they wanted to buy the domain name from me. Now, I ended up making over $2,500 for a domain name that I paid around $19 for. So Flipping domain names is an excellent way to make money, and you can do that as well on Adam.com, in addition to coming up with business names for companies and taglines and logos as well. So if you have some existing domain names that you're not using, you can import those right into the platform and list those for sale. All right, so just like I was mentioning before, you can use the power of AI to help you brainstorm and come up with names for these contests. So what you want to do is, once you go ahead and you see a contest running, you're going to go ahead and click on into that entry, and then you're going to head over to ChatGPT, and then you're going to paste this prompt here. And then what you want to do is go back to that listing. You're going to go ahead and copy everything that's on this page. Go ahead and hit copy, and then you're going to head back to ChatGPT, and then go ahead and paste that in there. And just that quick, ChatGPT comes up with a variety of different names that you can go ahead and submit. So that way you can enter the contest, and hopefully the business chooses your name, and then you'll instantly get paid for them using the name that you provided. All right, so those who want to get into the logo section of using Adam.com, you can also come up with logo designs that are very simple for you to create, and then submit those to increase your chances of winning different contests. So if you click on another contest, and then you can see exactly what the company is looking for, what their name is, and you're just going to go ahead and use their name inside of a logo. And an easy way for you to do this is to use Canva. Now, this company right here, they are an oil and gas company and vessel owners as well. And this is kind of the style concept that they're looking for, and they are in need of a logo and an app icon as well. So if you head on over to Canva, simply click on logo, and then that's going to give you a blank slate right here. And then you can simply go ahead and check out some of the logo templates that they have in here and look for something that is going to match what the company is looking for. So we know that this company is a oil and gas company. So I just went ahead and put the keyword gas inside of the logo section. And then this gave me a whole bunch of different logo ideas that I can go ahead and start with. So just to show you how quick and easy this is, I'll go ahead and click on one of the templates that they have. And then I have the company's name here, and I can just go ahead and drop it in there. And then there you go, a quick and easy logo for you to go ahead and submit. So what you want to do in order to export this, you're going to go up here to the top where it says share. You're going to click on download, and then you can change the size here, whether you want to do it 500 by 500, or if you want to increase the size, you can do that right here. And you can also change the download format as well. For this, we can leave it as PNG. And then we can just go ahead and click on download, and that will download to your desktop. Then you can head back on over to Adam so you can upload it, so that way you can have a chance to win that contest and earn as much as $300 or even more. All right, so there you go, a quick and easy way for you to earn up to $300 or even more by doing just simple 15 minutes of work using the power of AI and some simple design tools as well that I showed you. It literally takes you a few minutes to come up with some creative business names, and businesses are in need of these names and taglines on a daily basis. Now, you are going to have to join multiple contests, so that way you can have a better chance of increasing your revenue, but people are winning every day, and you can be too. So hopefully this video helped you guys out and showed you a way to make some money online. I want everybody watching this channel to be profitable. I will see you guys on the next one.